So good morning. This is a milestone for both of us. Shoptet is coming to Hungary and Webshippy is entering the Slovakia and the Czech market with the robotized fulfillment centers. Why Hungary? Why Shoptet is the best choice for the Hungarian entrepreneurs and wannabe online store owners?
We see a huge potential here in Hungary and we are very happy to be here together with Webshippy. Thank you for hosting this. And we believe that Hungarian entrepreneurs and companies will be growing more into e-commerce, and what we've seen in the past month is underscoring that. People are buying online. They realize that buying online is convenient, it's safe, and we see that more and more online stores will be jumping into the business, and we want to be the platform and the partner for them to allow that and to fully focus on the business. And we have their back with technology and with e-commerce platform that they can rely on. We have 30,000 web shops under our wings, so we think that we know what we do, and our customers can attest that in 3 countries right now: Czech Republic, Slovakia, now in Hungary. So we're happy to be here and support entrepreneurs and companies in their e-commerce journey.
This is great. We are targeting the same markets. Webshippy is want to be the Central Eastern European fulfillment center network. Actually, as you know, we are opening warehouses in Slovakia and the Czech Republic also this summer. So we are working on an integration. We integrate Shoptet with the system of Webshippy, which will be a two-way synchronization in the background and let the users basically choose from a wide variety of delivery options. In terms of functionality, what do you think? Why Shoptet is better than the alternatives in the local market?
We believe that was the most important for entrepreneurs and for companies is the way how you solve their problem. And they want to sell online and they want to do it in the less hassle possible. We proud ourselves to be the most closer to the customer. That's why in every country we are in, we have a local customer care. We have a localized product which is right fit for the market, and we are very close to our partners, to our customers. And this is something which we believe Shopify will not do, and it's one of our advantages. And of course, we have some track record of 30,000 web shops that are successful and growing with us. Not only starting entrepreneurs, but also nice brands, big companies which we have on our platform. And we want to bring the Shoptet ecosystem, our product to Hungary and continue also to other countries as well going forward.
Usually store owners ask the most typical questions like the design, because that's the first thing that the customers see.
We have a template. For sure, for us it's something which is aligned with the core value of our product and our core vision, to make it easy to start and to make it easy to be successful in your business. So what we are bringing to the table with those templates are the best practices how to allow your customers to buy seamlessly on your store. On top of that, you are able to customize it, because we know that the brands of our customers, our merchants, is very important to them. So there is a wide variety of choices how to customize that. This year only, we brought a new templates which are fully responsive, modern, and are fitted for the most innovative brands. We have first-time entrepreneurs, mothers on maternity leaves selling great stuff. But also we have big international brands that are selling in several countries, and they're running the same platform. Of course, in this number there are like every segment you can imagine. So really, right now it's all about the idea and the product and passion. You can fully focus on what you are best at, understanding your customer needs, your products, and the rest you can leave it with us.
How about third-party developers? Do you have an app store, or is it possible to create custom apps or plugins to Shoptet?
We have a marketplace of applications, and applications and partners like Webshippy can basically provide their services to our merchants. We see it as a key component of our e-commerce ecosystem. Right now in Hungary, we have more than 70 integrations available on the marketplace, and it's growing every day. And it's something which we'll be working towards also in upcoming months.
Super awesome. So if you're entering this market, I guess you already have the integrations to the local payment providers, online invoicing systems, maybe the systems of the local shipping companies. Are these integrations already?
Yeah, we have the most important integration, the integration which are needed for the webshop owners to start and grow their business. And there are some things which we are doing ourselves where we believe that is a core component of our service, like for example online Shamla, which we developed inside our system because we believe this is the core function, and it's something which is quite new on the market in terms of the service being integrated into e-commerce platform.
How about platform integrations, especially not in Hungary, but in the Czech and the Slovakian market? Price comparison sites and marketplaces, are these ready?
We have everything basically in our CE platform. So in these three countries, Czech Republic, Slovakia, and Hungary, we have more than 230 integrations already, and there is a long list of integrations that are in development or on our roadmap. So entrepreneurs and the companies in Hungary can look forward to many more to come, and they are being developed as we speak. So
wow, great. So can we say that if someone wants to go to the international level, so a Hungarian store owner wants to enter to these markets, is it an easier way for them to start?
Definitely, this is one of the advantages of being on Shoptet. We're in 3 countries right now. We're expanding to other markets as well. And with one platform, you can start your business in Slovakia and Czech Republic with a tool which is fitted for Slovakian customers, for Czech customers, and of course Hungarian customers. So you don't have this one-size-fits-all platform, which those global tools are and will be. But with Shoptet, you have the best Hungarian platform, the best Slovakian platform, and the best Czech platform. Mm-hmm. And it's the best from the view of the end customer, so people buying on your web shop, which is the most important thing. That's why we are here. That's why we are in the business, and we believe this is the right way how to do it.
What is the vision? Being the Central Eastern European Shopify, serving all those customers who want to target the entire market?
The vision is simple. We want to be the best platform to start and grow business, and whether we'll be in 3, 4, 5, 20 countries, it doesn't matter. We want to do our job right, and first we want to do it right in those countries where we are. We're going to expand, of course, to other territories, but the vision is still around the customer and serve them the best we can.
Why did you decide to integrate with the system of Webshippy?
It's completely aligned with our vision to be the best in what we do, and we want to partner with the best services in logistics and in other services important to our merchants. And in fulfillment, Webshippy was obvious choice. I think we share the same DNA. We are a technology company. We love solving difficult problems with technology and always pushing boundaries of what is possible. And this is what I saw in Webshippy when we first met, and I knew that we want to partner with you and bring your state-of-the-art services to our state-of-the-art platform.
How do you see your markets? Are the Czech and the Slovakian sellers wants to come to the Hungarian markets, or want to expand to international level?
Definitely, if you come look at it from number perspective, Czech Republic is a bit ahead in terms of share of retail. E-commerce share of retail is roughly around 15 to 17%. In Slovakia, 10%, in Hungary 10-11%, so sort of on similar level with Slovakia. Czech Republic is a bit ahead. So logically there are many brands which in Czech Republic outgrown the market and they want to expand. We have several dozens of clients who are already selling to Hungary, already running on our platform. Many Slovakian web shops as well. We have also already Hungarian customers expanding to Slovakia, for example, expanding to Czech Republic. So we're already seeing this happening.
One of the biggest challenge in international sales is the logistics. What do you see? How these companies are solving these issues? I mean, the Czech companies, how do they do the logistic part to sell items, products in Hungary and vice versa?
Some of them are having their own warehouses and managing everything themselves, or they are using fulfillment services and rely on partners like Webshippy and others. But I see that logistics is being the very important part of their business. It's actually the last contact with the customer. Right? If you are selling a product, there is a whole magic happening in the cloud, in the IT infrastructure, which is somehow maybe hidden for the end customer. But what they see is they got the product to their doors, and this is basically the outcome of everything happening before.
Some customers can wait 2, 3, 4, 5 days sometimes to the product, and there are some logistic providers who can provide maybe same-day shipping, like Webshippy in the bigger cities. So we are focusing on this part. Our philosophy is to make the customers happy. We are not just we usually say we are not just a fulfillment company. Others just let the product get to the customers. Webshippy gives more. Webshippy sometimes gives faster shipping or a wider range of delivery options, and that's what we provide. And basically, this is how we help the online stores. We help to let them more competitive in their market. This is like a huge challenge, a huge race. Different kind of online stores are fighting with each other and trying to catch the customers. And the ones who can give the more to the customers, they will survive probably. And that's why Webshippy, this is how Webshippy trying to help to these online stores.
Mm-hmm. Definitely, and I see a very nice parallel between our companies. We are bringing the things which were dominant of those big players, like fast delivery and automation and all those things, to also smaller players, and basically leveling up the playing field also for these small entrepreneurs, and then basically allowing them to compete and to provide the same, if not better, quality of service to their end customers, the big players. So absolutely. I think we're completely aligned with that.
Absolutely, you're totally right. What we say is that with Webshippy you will always have the latest technology behind your online store, because this is what's the most expensive and most time-consuming part of managing an online business, basically the logistics. And unfortunately, once you start your own logistics, you do your own stuff, you do your own warehousing, you start to invest into softwares and hire employees and then move to a bigger warehouse as you grow. And this process is endless, and you're just throwing the money into your logistic needs, when you should focus on building your business, focusing on marketing and product development. Yeah. And this is what Webshippy does instead of the online store.
What kind of services you can bring to Shoptet Marketplace, and what's your advantages over your competitors? Mm-hmm.
Well, actually we will have a robotized warehouse, both in Czech Republic and in Slovakia, which means that online store owners can basically outsource their entire logistic processes, and our performance numbers are the best in the market, in the whole Central European market. What we measured is the speed and the accuracy and the error rate of the order processing. We use the same robotic technology that Amazon and Alibaba has in their warehouses. So it means we're very fast and the error rate is the lowest on the market. Once an online store is outsourced its logistics, they can be sure that the orders are picked and packed on the same day. Sometimes we can deliver the products on the same day. So for example, in Hungary, in Budapest, we do the same day delivery, which means if you order something before 4 p.m., we ship the products between 6 and 10 p.m. So basically it's a very, very fast shipping, which is good because what we see is this is where the whole e-commerce market is going. If you see what happened recently in the last 2 years, a lot of people started to buy online who didn't buy online before, and Volt and Delivery Hero and all of these quick commerce providers are started to provide much more than just food. And also what Webshippy does is we are trying to bring these providers to the e-commerce scene, and what we do is that we are building dark stores in the big cities. So basically our customers can outsource their inventory, a part of their inventory, to this dark store network. So the quick commerce providers can also ship their products in like 30 minutes or 1 hour. This is a huge thing. No one else in the market does this at the moment. And that's why we are partnering up with these providers. And this is what we want to bring to the Slovakian and the Czech market as well.
How your fulfillment network can support sellers or web shops who want to sell internationally?
Well, because of the inventory moving between the countries and between the fulfillment centers, this can be a super strong network effect among these fulfillment centers. So for example, just imagine that a Czech online store is selling something to a Hungarian customer, so the Hungarian customer can get this product in like 30 minutes. This is amazing, and vice versa. So a Hungarian store can expand their market to other countries, so they can benefit from the same fast shipping. Moving your inventory to different country absolutely raises your competitiveness, because shipping time is one of the most important aspects beside of the price, of course. So that's why Amazon and also Alibaba and JD.com in China can rule the market, because they can do the shipping much faster than anyone else. And I think this is the best opportunity to the sellers who are selling in these local markets to give the same quality of fulfillment that the big players like this Amazon and Alibaba can do.
I also heard that you have a dropshipping marketplace. How that works?
That's right. What we did is we built an internal wholesale marketplace into the system Webshippy, which means that it gives the stores the ability to not just sell their own products, but to widen their product portfolio and find other products and sell it in dropshipping model. So for example, if you're selling iPhones, then maybe you will find a supplier who sells covers or other accessories. So basically you just import, you will be able to import those products into your store. So you don't have to buy the inventory, you can see the wholesale price. And the model is the dropshipping model, which means that after you sold the product, you have to pay the wholesale price, and we do the shipping and the transfer for you. So it's a very good opportunity to those stores to widen the product portfolio and basically to make the basket size bigger.
How can Webshippy offer 30-minute delivery in Budapest and in future also in other cities? How is that working?
So the thing is that the quick commerce providers like Volt and Delivery Hero want to step into this e-commerce market. They provide the delivery as a service to the stores, but the problem is that they can serve a limited region only. So for example, if you're an online store and you have your inventory in your warehouse, which is somewhere in the countryside, they cannot go there and pick the items and take it back to the downtown. So what we did is that's why we started to build the dark store infrastructure, because we can move the part of the inventory to the dark store. So our plugin can check if the items that the customer wants to buy in that time to that location where the customer wants to ship the products to are available from a dark store which is closed. So in the background we can send this information to these quick commerce providers, and they can give back the answer that yes, they can serve the customers, they can ship the products in like 30 minutes. And this is a great invention. No one else did this before Webshippy, so that's why we're very proud of this.
When you are actually starting in Slovakia and Czech Republic?
We open both warehouses in Slovakia and in Czech Republic in this summer, so both customers can benefit from our services very soon. Actually, we have a lot of customers in Hungary who also move to these warehouses very soon, so after opening, and we are open to Czech and Slovakian online store owners to come to Hungary as well.